AP State Cabinet recently allotted 21 acres of land in Visakhapatnam at a symbolic lease price to which major IT company? Infosys, Wipro, HCL and TCS. Answer is TCS. The State Cabinet of Andhra Pradesh recently approved the establishment of Greyhounds Training Center in which district? Visakhapatnam, Vijayanagaram, Kurnool and Guntur. Answer is Vijayanagaram. Which international finance institutions have recommended $1.6 billion for the Phase 1 development of Amaravati with funds releasing starting from January 2025? World Bank. And who was recently presented with the Lata Deennath Mangeshkar Award 2025? Amitabh Bachchan, Kumar Mangalam Birla, Ratan Tata, Sachin Tendulkar. Answer is Kumar Mangalam Birla. Which Indian athlete recently set a national record in the men's 200 meters sprint? Animesh Kuzur, Neeraj Chopra, Murali Srishankar, Avinash Sable. Animesh Kuzur. Following the recent terror attack in Pahalgam, which central agency has formally taken over the investigation? CBI, ED, NIA and RA. Answer is NIA, National Investigation Agency. What is the name of the initiative recently launched in India to promote women's leadership in artificial intelligence? AI Kiran, AI Shakti, Nari AI, Tech Divas AI. AI Kiran. Dr. K. Kasturi Rangan, who passed away recently, was a celebrated figure preliminarily associated with which field? Indian Judiciary, Indian Classic Music, Indian Space Program, Indian Economics. Answer is Indian Space Program. Which famous pilgrimage is set to resume in June 2025 after a suspension of 5 years, aiming to normalize ties with China? Amarnath Yatra, Chardham Yatra, Vaishno Devi Yatra, Kailash Manas Sarovar Yatra. Answer is Kailash Manas Sarovar Yatra. The UN Secretary Council recently issued a strong condemnation regarding a deadly terrorist attack that occurred where? Kabul, Afghanistan, Pahalgam, Jammu Kashmir, Mogadishu, Somalia, Kyiv, Ukraine. Answer is Pahalgam, India. Which Central American country experienced a recent eruption of its volcano? Poas volcano. Costa Rica, Guatemala, Nicaragua, Panama. Answer is Costa Rica. World Malaria Day is observed globally every year on which date to raise awareness about the disease? 7th April, 22nd April, 25th April, 30th April. Answer is 25th April. What chemical element has the symbol AU? Aluminium, silver, argon and gold. Answer is gold. In which state was the Indirama Atmeya Bharosa scheme launched in March 2025? Karnataka, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. Answer is Telangana. Jitendra Pal Singh was recently appointed as India's new ambassador to which country? USA, France, Israel and Germany. Answer is Israel.